Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look on how we can fix the issue of low storage on our PC. If your PC have a smaller memory card, that is a low disk, like mine, I'm running on a 32 gigabyte, which is very low when it compare when it comes to laptop. It's very low. This is a very small low storage memory card that my PC come with, but that is not the problem. The problem is how we can fix this issue so that whenever we try to save file, it's not going to tell us to delete file, or it's not going to tell us that our storage or our disk is low. So that is why I'm making this video on how we are going to fix this issue. Guys, you guys are welcome. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, this is what I do. I make video on different type of issue. I make video on review product and also make videos on how you can fix issue on your social media account and also on your laptop as well. If you are my returner viewer, I appreciate you for your time, for your effort, for your love, for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you stay tuned to this video because I believe you're going to learn a new method on how you can fix this kind of issue. So first of all, what you need to do, you're going to come over to this search button and then type in storage settings, and then here is going to pop up this. Then make sure you click on this very place. Once you click there, it's going to bring you down to this place, just like what I told you guys before, that my laptop, my PC is running on 32 gigabyte, which is very low when it comes to system. It's just a mini laptop. So but we are going to look on how we are going to fix some of this issue that is actually affecting whenever we want to save any file on our PC. So now we are going to come over to this place that I'm using, circle. Come over to this place, and once you come over to that place, make sure you click there. Once you click, it's going to take you directly to this place where you say change where new content is saved. Here we are going to make it permanent on our USB drive. Let me show you on my file here. Let me click my file. So on my file here, I have a USB drive, which is the F USB drive that I normally use for external saving my file. So here we are going to make it permanent whenever we want to save any file. So we don't need to say, okay, we want to, our system is telling us that we have a low storage disk on our PC, so we have to delete some file. No, we are going to make it permanent so that whenever we save anything, it's going to save directly to our USB drive, which is the external drive that we are using. So if you come over to this place, you say new app will be saved to this. So you can click on USB drive, which is the external drive that you are having on your PC. You can click there and then you apply for it. At this moment, I'm going to apply for it because I have already done the one that I actually want to do. I don't want to save my application on my USB drive. So here we have new document that should be saved. So I'm going to click on save and it's going to be saved, and then you apply. I've already applied on this one. Then new music will be saved to my USB drive, which is my external drive. When you come over to this place, say new photos and videos will be saved, which it should be saved on my USB drive instead of my local disk, because my local disk is actually very low and it's making my system not to run smoothly the way I want. So with this method of how you save your disk, your file directly to your external drive, is going to help to reduce the functionality of your PC in order to run very smoothly. So this is how you're going to change the storage drive on your PC to make sure your PC runs very smoothly. So after when you have made all these changes, for these changes to work effectively, make sure you turn you restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, it's going to take effect immediately and this issue is being resolved. Whenever you want to save any file, it's not going to tell you that you have a low storage drive. So I really appreciate you guys for your time. I see you in another video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like this video, comment and tell me the issue you are having so that I can make videos according to what issue you are facing. Thank you and have a nice day.